conk them up with your comedy. Conk them up with your unique style of comedy. Conky. Point wanaona sasa Mulamwa ndio anakuwa. So to do, you have explained enough. Now do the thing that brought you into this world.
Wase, kuna kitu imenikasirisha sana na imekasirisha Wakenya zaidi. Kwanza
Mulamwa alichapa event moja safi sana, and anasema the tickets were sold out. Kumaanisha aliuza tickets zote and everyone attended and it was a success. But bloggers, fans and everybody were on the shoulders ya friends wake. Wanasema his online family, his online friends hawaku show up venye inafaa. And according to him, according to people, wanasema Mulamwa, wale watu wako in the mainstream, wenye wamejenga jina, hawakukuja kwa event yake. And me, to be honest, niliona why made it. And a few others, maybe ni kamera zikuwafikia, but kuna wale few wali make. I will give you details soon. So subscribe to my next video. Nitawaeleza the people who made it from the mainstream as per what they are saying. Anyway, out of that, hii event ya Mulamwa venye tunaona, according to venye anaieleza, anasema that this was his first ever, ama ni first time event kufanya, cause amekuwa akitamani kufanya stand-up comedy, but it wasn't the right time. But hii siku lilikuwa the right time, so akaamua get out of his shell, which was comedy only, behind the scenes and stuff, akuje sasa aifanye one-on-one stand-up. And to be honest, aliweza ku deliver. You can comment down below if you attended the event. But what is shocking the fans out there, the fact that ati hawa wase wengine, sitaki kuwataja, hao wenye wako pale, wanasema ati, alikuwa anasema kuna wasanii wakubwa, kuna wale watajika, wenye wanajulikana in the industry, wenye usupport msee akikuwa na event wanakam, hawakukam. And to make it even worse, wale wase tunaonanga anafanya na wao videos, pia hawaku attend, which is quite sad. And it is true. But Mulamwa, your way of doing things, was it right? Being the queen of positive vibes, I like saying it as it is. Mulamwa, do you attend people's events? That is the first question you should answer. Number 2, did you personally go and call or even send letters or even message these big people you say they are big, au tunasema the mainstream? Did you invite them personally? Because as per what I have before I did this video, nimekuwa nikifanya to research moja mbili tatu, nimesikia ukisema it was your first time video, you are trying it out. So kumaanisha unapanga utafanya ingine. Then you are also promoting the upcoming. Unataka wainuke. So this event, ulikuwa na promote upcoming. Don't you think that those people who also attended were upcoming? Ama was it meant for everybody? Mimi naona ni kama pia ulijishusha in a way. Aungefaa kusema it was meant for upcoming, ati ndio wakuje wasikike and stuff. Ungeweka tu ni event ya kucelebrate the Kenya, what word should I use? Ungesema it is an event to celebrate the Kenya artists out here. Ilikuwa tu ya wenye wanajulikana, wanachipuka. You get? Of which most walikuwa maybe TikTokers and stuff, because umesema mainstream are not there. Out of that, Mulamwa, another thing, did you take time to market it? Yes, that is for sure. But to be honest, Mulamwa, this event haikumarketiwa venye inafaa. Because tulikuona kwa mainstream, but si mingi, moja mbili tatu. And hapa nje kwa social media, niko sure kuna watu wamejua jo event cause ya the way vloggers wamekuwa kiongelea at people didn't attend your event and stuff. In the marketing, I feel you are not given justice as it should have been. Anyway, Mulamwa, one thing hii kitu yako pia imekam kutufunza, sometimes do your things your own way. Don't really rely on the people mko almost the same class, ama wako juu yako sana, ama watu wamesha make it. Just do your thing. God mwenye ako juu, kuna venye anaweza make such situations come to your advantage. Sahi unateta unasema, ama una feel, ama you're just talking about it and saying, wase hawaku attend. Those people you expected to attend, hawaku attend your event. It is okay. The world has seen. People have seen. And what makes me give you your flowers is the fact that you never looked back. You never looked at them. You looked at the people who were there. How mafans walikuwa happen to the true people who are behind you. Hawa ndio wase ukiwa kwa ngori, watakam, wakuweke a shoulder na wakusupport. Sahi ugonjeke and stuff, sisi tu mafans ndio tutakukolektia do. Wacha nikwambie, most of these celebrities will be there to just bring moral, upewe do na wengi hawatatoa. This is a fact. Na kama unaamini na danganya, comment down below. Our celebrities washa make it. So wanafika in a point wanaona, sasa Mulamwa ndio anakuwa so to do. Yani hawajaona impact yako kwa hii stuff. It's your first time, yes. But I love the fact that you've proved them wrong. Despite them not being there, you still did your thing. Despite the vitu zinaendelea kwa life yako, story ya Ruth K and stuff, your kid, it doesn't matter. You still went on and did your thing. And that deserves a tick. And that deserves a clap. Congratulations, Mulamwa. Above all, kama kuna kitu mtu ana treasure, ni wale watu wako kwa sako yako na your family wamekam kukusupport. Your parents wali travel all that mali walikuwa far wakakuja kukusupport. Hey, Mulamwa, you are in front. You are in front. Ama nikwambiwa you are uko mbele. Unajua ni watu wangapi wazazi wao wana support craft yao? Unajua ni watu wangapi parents wao wanakaa ocha wanawaombea wa make it? Si wengi. Unajua ni wazazi wangapi wanaweza come waseme this is my son. Man, God endelea kumuelevate. Yani hizo strides unapanda, kuna mzazi anapanda na wewe. Kuna God anaona. Kuna God anaona Mulamwa is going places. Unaweza kuwa una pass through all this. But this might be, let me tell you for a fact, and you will revisit this video. This will be the beginning of your success in your career. Hawa wote wanaweza kuwa wamekuwa abandon, wakidhani what you are doing was so small. But Mulamwa, talking from the faith I have in Jesus Christ, you are going far. Don't look at what has happened, the negative. Look at the positive, the people who are there. Continue giving us content. Give us content the way we deserve it. And we will continue supporting you. Above all, our celebrities una feel awako kwa your event. Most of them don't watch your content. They only watch what imeweza kutrend out there. And that's what they want to trade on. Utrend kidogo, sasa ndo nataka kufanya nawe collaborations. Be wise. Mi nasemango whoever has a brain, na nitamalizia uko mwisho video ikiisha. But for now, Mulamwa, do your thing. Don't let these small things bring you down. Cause simply mtu hataki kuwork na wewe. Cause simply watu walikuwa wanafanya nawe collabo hawako hapo anymore. I guess they're not there because they're not benefiting. They didn't see any benefit in that. But you can prove them wrong. Build your craft. Continue doing your endorsements to the best of your capability. Grow your craft. Fanya hii kitu ikuwe better. Enda international. Bigger research. kaa chini, andika mascript, toa vitu kali. Kama huyo producer uko naye ingiani, tafuta another one, grow, find ideas, meet people who have big ideas than you. Let them give you insights. I tell you, my brother, you will be the best in 254. And once you're the best in 254, I trust at internationally, people will be able to clap back and say, Mulamwa made it. I trust kuna countries will appreciate you for what you did. But usifeel, you have explained enough. Now, do the thing that brought you into this world. Make money above all. Hakuna mtu atakupea pesa ya bure hapa nje. Just do your craft and money will follow you. You will drive good cars. You will wear awesome suits. Yeah? All because of your talent. So, mtu asiku bring down, mtu asikuambie ho ha ha. No. Mulamwa, you're the best. Konki. Make money above all. Hakuna mtu atakupea pesa ya bure hapa nje. Just do your craft and money will follow you. You will drive good cars. You will wear awesome suits. Yeah? All because of your talent. So, mtu asiku bring down, mtu asikuambie ho ha ha. No. Mulamwa, you're the best. Konki. Conk them up with your comedy. Conk them up with your unique style of comedy. They might laugh at you now, but Mulamwa, you will be something better. Some days, some months, or even years to come. You will revisit this video. I tell you for sure. This has been your one and only Director Jao. And like I tell you, whoever has a brain, sense is expected.